Undersecretary Benno Abalos that the sec leader was arrested. Attorney Ferdinand Topacio said Kibuloy voluntarily surrendered to the AFP. He then called Abalos Epal, the Filipino slang for attention grabber, for allegedly taking credit for the supposed arrest. The Philippine National Police said Kibuloy, along with Ingrid Canada, Crescente Canada, Jacqueline Roy, and Silvia Semanyes are now under their custody after the police gave a 24-hour ultimatum on September 8. Some 2,000 police officers stormed the KJC compound on August 24 to search for Kibuloy in an attempt to serve his arrest warrant. President Bongbong Marcos maintained there were no human rights violations in the KJC compound raid. Kibuloy and his 5 co-accused faced child abuse cases before the Davao City Court. While in Canada has been under the custody of authorities since July. Likewise, Kibuloy has standing arrest warrants for human trafficking issued by a past.
Okay? Okay. Very clear, no? Mga ka-clear. Ang gusto ng palabasin dito, sumuko, nag-surrender itong si Pastor Kibuloy sa gobyerno. Pero syempre, hindi sa tropa ni General Torre. At dahil daw sa di umano nakikita nila